Algebra 1, Chapter 3, Section 3, Rate and Change of Slope. So, with our idea here, rate of change is a ratio that describes, on average, how much one quantity is changing to another. So, one way to think about that is if you have a very large change in y coordinates, let's say that's a very large number of miles, and a very small change in time, we would call that and say that's hours. That's a very fast speed because there's a lot of change in miles and a little change in hours. You could also have it be a very small change in miles and a very large change in distance. And you can see I'm not drawing a straight line here, but you could draw a straight line. But the whole idea is that on average, the speed is very small because not many miles happen over not many hours. So that's the idea behind rate of change. It's just we're trying to figure out the change in y and the change in x and divide them out. Now, the easiest way to do that is by subtracting them. So in example 1 here, we're going to find the rate of change and explain its meaning. The meaning, of course, is going to come from what the columns represent. But to do the calculation, it's pretty simple. I take the y coordinate, let's take 156, and subtract another y coordinate from it, 78. That is the change between those two coordinates. So you can see I've got 156 and 78 here. So I'm going to compare those two y values with their corresponding x values. So 156 is correlated to 4, and 78 is correlated to 2. So 156 minus 78, 156 minus 78 is 78. Ooh, 4 minus 2 is 2. Divide that by 2 and we get 39. Now that's just comparing these two points here. I can also compare these 2 points. 234, try that again. 234 minus 156 over 6 minus 4. And if it's something called a constant rate of change, these numbers should come out to be the same. 234 minus 156 is also 78 again, minus 2, and that still equals 39. So here we found our rate of change. It is 39, but it's 39 what? It's 39, remember the numerator is total cost, dollars per number of computer games. $39 per computer game. So basically what that is describing is the cost for each game is $39 because we have ourselves a unit rate. All right.